Smallest string with a given numeric values. The numeric values of lowercase character is defined as its position in alphabet. So the numeric values of A is 1. The numeric values of B is 2. The numeric values of C is 3, and so on. The numeric values of a string consisting of lowercase character is defined as the sum of its character numerical value. For example, the numeric value of the string A, B, E is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 5 equal to 8. You are given two integers n and k. Return the lexicographically small string with length equal to n and numerical value equal to k. Note that a string x is lexicographically smaller than y if x comes before y in dictionary order. That is, either x is a prefix of y, or if I is the first position such that xi is not equal to yi. Then xi come before yi in alphabetical orders. Now let's have a look at the code. Assign every index value as a least amount to be put in array since we want to fill up the array first. After that, we subtract value in the array not to go over the boundaries. Then initiate index to be replaced with greedy algorithm. Then set the minimum value to replace in the array with math.min function, which return the least value of the inputs. The reason why we need to compare to 25 is that the maximum alphabet to input is z, which is 25, difference in ASCII value of a, which is a minimum. So even if the value to check is over 25, the alphabet to be replaced in the index will never go over z, which is the highest value of all. Then replace the index with the minimum value needed. After that, step back to the index by 1. Subtract the value to check out. Then we check the value until there is no value to check, then print the result in strings. So this is the example of this code. How does it work? So we input n as 3 and k as 27. Then assign every digit as a, which is a minimum value. So the arrays of the character is now a. Next, the value to check as deducted k and index as n minus 1. So then value will be 27 minus 3 equal to 24. And then index will equal to 3 minus 1, which is 2. Next, go into the loop, which will continuously check the value that goes under 0. For the first iteration, value will equal to 24. And when it got into the math.min function, which choose between 24 and 25, it's going to come out 24. And then for the first array with index 2, it's going to equal to and for the array at index 2, it's going to equal to the array at index 2 plus 24. And then it will equal to a plus 24. Then array at index 2 will be replaced with y, which is 24 as c point the difference from a. Index will now become 1 and the value will become zeros, and then loop will break. And now that the array will be y. So the last output is y.